moment where we're gonna set off fireworks in Mama's backyard. This is gonna be really cool, man. She locked me outside though, I'm homeless. She is my son and she should treat me like her mother.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Wait, I'm sad, I can't walk fast. Let's go. Let's watch this firework.
Okay, do you want to do the rocket first or this one?
The rocket. Or the tiny one, the tiny one.
You do the four done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to light it and run back, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Wow, we...
Now the other one's going to shoot up in the sky.
Yeah.
Dude, I paid like $300 for that.
Seriously?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that one's cool.
Cool.
Wow, happy
I feel like they
30th of June.
Yeah, I feel like they could have done better with that.
Yeah. The end.